A is for ash gourd. B is for brinjal. C is for corn. D is for drumstick. E is for eggplant. F is for fennel. G is for garlic. H is for hazelnut. I is for ice cream bean. J is for jalapeno pepper. K is for Calais. L is for lemon. M is for mushrooms. N is for navy beans. O is for onion. P is for pumpkin. Q is for squash. R is for radish. S is for spinach. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella squash. V is for velvet bean. W is for walnuts. Y is for yam. Z is for zucchini.